Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you queue in Laravel. Queue you can imagine like a normal, let's say, person line. You are standing in a line that you call it a queue. So concept of queue is similar in technical world as well. So here what's the advantage of having queue in like queue is really helpful in time consuming task. So these you can put in queue and later it will be executed. So examples can be like sending mails, or let's say you have to generate reports and send them via mail. So all these time consuming tasks you can do it in queue. So now let's get started with the video. So firstly in Laravel where you can find queue configurations. So these in config folder, inside that you can find queue.php. In this file you can see that driver sync is there, database, and all these are supported queue connections that you can use. And default here is sync. So I'll be showing you how you can send mail using queue. So in contact controller you can see I'm already having code for mail send. So this I have shown you in my previous videos. If you want to see how to send mail in Laravel, you can go and watch that. So in this video I'll be showing you queue only. So and I'll be using this code as well. So for implementing queue, firstly, I'll be creating table, that is queue table for jobs. Second is I'm going to migrate and send it to database, that it should create that table in database. After that, I'll create one file for jobs. And last, I'll like change my this mail send to job function. And then last one, I'll show you how to run this. So now let's start by creating queue table. So write command for that, php artisan queue colon table. So this command will only create migration. It will not create table in your database. So for that we need to run migrate command. So migration file is created. Let's go to database folder migration. So there you can see we have one file with create jobs table. So you can see all the columns that will be present in this table. And after that we need to change queue connection. So by default queue connection is sync, but here I'm going to show you database connection. So in env file we will be changing queue connection to database. Below you can see we have queue connection as sync, so I'm just going to remove it. So till now we have created one table for jobs, and after that queue connection is changed to database. So now we will be going to migrate and creating jobs table in database. So now let's quickly migrate and let's go to DB, and here you can see jobs table is created. So now we have to create job, but before that let me show you mail code. So here you can see in my contact controller I'm having mail code mail send to, and here I'm using my first mail. So inside that you can see subject is set, attachment, like all these are set in my previous video. So here now we will be handling this using queue. Right now it's just in controller I'm doing and sending mail, but here we will be doing it using queue. So now let's create job. So write command php artisan make job, and here you will be writing file name. So let's say my here let's say send mail job. So you can see job folder is created, and inside that one file send mail job. Here you can see two function, constructor and handle function. So inside handle function we will be writing our mail code. So let's remove this block of code from here and paste in handle function. So here you can see we need to import class this mail now. So that's it you need to do in your job file. So now let's go to controller and we need to dispatch this. So firstly let's create the instance of job. So let's hold it in a variable and write new send mail job. So in a variable we are holding instance of it. So now with this we are going to dispatch, and inside dispatch we will be sending our instance of this send mail job. So this dispatch function will do the work of running your job. So you can see base URL is going to contact controller index function. So now let's clear our config. So write php artisan config clear, as we have changed in env file, that's why. So now let's run another command php artisan queue work. So this queue work will basically is running queue worker. This one is basically process new jobs as they will be pushed into the queue. So let's check in browser now. So let's go to DB and you can see jobs is blank right now. So let's refresh and now let's go to DB and here you can see one entry is there. So here let's go to mail now. So you can see in mail we have received our mail, and if we will go again to DB and refresh, so now you can see it's removed from DB. So entry will be pushed to database when job is started running. After it finishes running, it will be removed from DB. So now let's check with queue worker. So here you can see one time it's coming send mail. That job is running. Here also you can see that. So that's how you can include queue into your project. So that's all in this video. I've shown you how you can add queue in Laravel. So if you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.